I'll be showing you how to run campaigns in RMHGO. This video is to um, go over the updates that we have made within the past year. The system's loading up right now, so just give me a minute so I can run you through this. Here we are. Okay, very good. So we'll be covering how to run campaigns in RMHGO. So when you're logging into your system, this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing the launch dashboard. We'll just go over those real quick. This is to connect to your social media account, and if you have the mobile app that we provided to install the mobile app, it's just kind of like instruction to run you through this preliminary setup, or the initial setup. Anyway, let's go and move on to this conversation. So now this is the update we have made. Back then, if you wanted to edit the template, you'd have to go to marketing um, to edit the text templates, but now you can edit them here in the conversations tab. You also have manual actions. Those are for to create triggers, but we don't have any triggers right now. As you can see, there's no triggers or links, but you don't really need to use those. It's not something, unless you're gonna be sending out link to your users, then you could be using this. And then you have that this thing analyzes your texts. It's not set up right now, so that's not important. The important stuff that we need to look over is the text template. How you'll be sending out your text template, what messages you'll be sending out to your customers or your potential sellers, whoever you're targeting, right? And then to run a campaign now, it used to be marketing back then, but now we have it set up in automation. And this is where, once you go to your automation, you got workflow, and then you got campaigns, and you also got triggers. So we'll be focusing on the campaign aspect, and it's basically the same process. Once you get to campaigns, you go there to the create campaign, right? You just create your campaign. um, so for speed of video, we'll just call this campaign name is, usually if you're creating a campaign, let's close this. If you're creating a campaign that doesn't have a CD yet, so usually we recommend that you create a folder and name the folder based on the CD that you're bringing the campaign. So I'll give you an example. I could say Miami, and then Florida, right? And then we'll save that. So we have a folder, Miami, Florida, that I just created. Okay, so let's see if I can find it so I can show it to you. There it is. So it has 0 campaigns there, and then you'll be creating the campaign. So you click campaign, so the campaign could be well, first and foremost, you got to find a zip code, right? So let's just say let's go to PropStream so we can look up a zip code real quick. Shouldn't take too long, and it's loading up. Okay, that's fine. Miami, Florida. There we go. So let's see, we're doing, I don't know, let's click on this one. What's the zip code for this one? It's a 33147. So we're doing Miami, Florida 33147. Let's go back to our campaign here. So campaign name is Miami, Florida, zip code 33147, I believe. Can't remember exactly. Yep, 33147, I was right. 147, and then we'll select the folder. So the folder is Miami, Florida, so we'll select that and hit save. And then once you go through this process, then you got to go to the campaign configuration aspect. So we'll select the user. Okay, let's say we select Jordan for demonstration purposes. Should just select my name, Rolf, right? Let's remove Jordan. Obviously you would select your name. Then the campaign name, which is the one we just created. So let's see if we can find it. All right. It's not showing up. Let's go ahead and try this again. Ah, M. Alright, so all the M should come up. No, that's not important. That's his next campaign. Sorry. You leave this part empty, no, nothing selected here. And then you put your name from your name and then the email that we created for you, or the email that you have created for yourself. All right. And then usually I assign a value into it. That's just for KPI purposes, just to track. And then what I do for the tag, I usually name it the same as the campaign. So it's Miami. Miami FL 34. I'm sorry, 33147. And for conventional purposes, which I kind of messed up here, but I'll fix it, is usually also put the date that you're in that campaign. So today is the 9th, yeah, 2022. So that also helps. Yeah, and then we'll add an event. The event is going to be text message, so we'll also be sending text messages out to these people. So the text message is yep, this is what we're using, and we'll hit save. And then yeah, let me go back here so I can have things clarified. Actually, edit. See, it says hello, I'm interested. We are interested in. Okay, this is the text template that we're using. It's important that you choose that. And then we'll hit save, and then you publish the campaign. Obviously, I'm not gonna publish it because I need to fix the mistake. So put the month, the day. I'm sorry. If I could type today, that'd be great. And the year. Okay, now we'll hit publish. Once that publish, okay, now we'll go to contacts. You gotta upload contacts now, so you can run the campaign. So you go to contacts, and then you're gonna click on this one. So this is import contact. Then you're gonna find a file that you're gonna run the campaign. So that file, I'll show you how to get this file. It's very simple actually, but let's go to my downloads folder. There you go. So now that we have all that, yeah, let's just use this one. Upload, hit next, follow the instructions. Let me show you how it's done for basic purposes. So what we need to do is make sure you match these things. So it's listing title, it's not important. Listing provider name, so that would be the owner, property owner. I think it's put the first name, right? Contact information, so we'll match it with phone. FSB or contact, that's also phone. So on and so forth. You match. Okay, so address is already matched. This is important to match those. Once you have those matched, and then we'll hit this next. and then again keep this very uniform. So we'll call this Miami FL zip code 33143, and the date 08 let's say 09 2022, and then go here, advance, and then what we'll do is find the tag. That's the tag we created earlier, and then add to workflow. Again, we'll tap in Miami. Sorry. Tap it exactly how the tag is typed. Uh, 08092022. Then you hit submit, and that should run the campaign. Actually, sorry, I cannot mess you guys up. So here it is. When you're typing the tag, the tag should already come up, because you gotta select a pre-existing tag. So not the tag, the workflow. Believe we already have it here. So let's try it. For some reason it's not recognizing. I'm pretty sure I published this thing, so it should come up. Sometimes it does that, and when it does that, you kind of have to go through it. There it is. See, you want to select this one, and right now it's not even selecting it. Sometimes the system acts up like that, but basically what you do, you select this, and it'll fill in this thing right here. And once you done selecting it, you hit submit, and it should run your campaign. And once you hit submit, this thing will close, obviously, but right now computer is acting weird. Okay, and once you hit run submit, I'll show you your next step. The next step is to go to the conversations tab and then start responding to the text messages, right? So there it is, and the way you do that is you go to resent. So the most recent people who text you, you can text them back. This is how this works. That's it. That's it for the video. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.